Thank you, Charu. Today I have come down to Sushant Lok 1. Now you're wondering what am I doing here in such a close space? Well, I am at an office. Yes, I am at Femela Fashions over here. They are in Sushant Lok 1. So I'm going to go inside, surprise everyone by banging it into their lunch party while you go see what Avlok is up to. But do remember to come back and see how I surprise these guys. I'm going in. Thank you, Avlok. So I am here inside Femela Fashions. Now this is in Sushant Lok 1, and behind me inside there the staff is eating lunch. Well, they don't know that I'm coming in here, or I hope they don't know I'm coming in here. So I hope they'll be surprised. So let's go surprise them a bit. Hi guys.
Hi.
Okay, well there was some sort of surprise over there. So anyways, okay, so you guys are eating a lunch, right?
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, what are you eating?
Home cooked food, spinach, some cauliflower.
Run me through
potatoes.
everything over here.
Okay. There's some spinach over here.
Okay.
And there's some cauliflower and potatoes.
Okay.
There's some rice, chapatis, all home cooked.
So that's all home cooked. Okay. And who cooked all this? What home did this come from?
From everybody's home.
Okay, so this is
Our mom cooks.
Okay, so this is more of a joint party, right?
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So do you guys generally eat home food, or do you also order from outside?
Home food.
Always home food.
Yeah.
So there's no. You do order.
Yeah,
sometimes.
sometimes.
Just occasional.
Okay,
that
which
we
is
order from outside.
any
yeah.
special occasion you guys order on, something celebrating some success. or
Something
something?
like a
Birthday,
festival,
somebody's
some
birthday,
birthday,
when we are in a mood of party, then.
Okay, fabulous. So I'm gonna dig into their food and see what also. What do you suggest I eat first?
You can have this Nutri.
Okay, so well, here are the rotis. Where do the rotis come from? Who's been cooking the rotis?
At my place, I do, or my sister does.
Oh, fabulous. Okay, so this is the
Spinach.
So let's try the spinach first. Who cooked this?
My sister.
It's really nice. My
Thank
compliments
you.
to the chef.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
What next? This is the cauliflower, right?
Yeah.
With potatoes. Let's see how this is. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, I'm robbing your lunch.
No issues.
It's
okay.
Who cooked this then?
My auntie.
Even this is nice. I mean, come on. Can I shift into one of your places? I mean, if it's okay with you guys?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it is?
You're most welcome.
Well, this is the first time somebody's actually said, yes, please do come over. So anyways, tell you what, I'm going to go finish all of that food. I'm going to try taking all of it from them. And you go see what Charu is up to. I'll probably see you on the other side of this.